So this is what you are going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So make sure you subscribe, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So this is our trend first and first on our Swiss franc JPY. We all know that we did this analysis for yesterday, right? If you've not watched it, you can go back to watch it to confirm. Now, to those of you that watch it, we're going to testify that we actually predicted that markets will give us a bullish move, right? And this is exactly what market did. Market gave us a bullish move that we predicted it to give us, right? That is a bullish move. Now, for today, also, we will be expecting market to also give us a bullish move. Why are we going to be expecting that movement? Is that when you go to your forward time frame and you zoom it out, you will clearly see that the trend on our forward time frame, which is on our Swiss franc JPY, is in an uptrend move, right? So we're having a series of higher high and an higher low. Now let's start it from here. This is a multiple rejection zone here, which is first rejection, and this is the second rejection, which is like a double bottom, right? Market was able to push up to form this high, and this is a pullback, which is an higher low. Market then was able to push up again to form a new high, and here is the higher low. So we are currently pushing up, right, which market has done, right? Market was able to push up to form an equal high right here. So we would expect market to push further up to completely break this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So that is to tell you that for the day, we will be expecting Swiss franc JPY to give us a bullish move for the day. So if there will be any changes, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So click on the subscribe button, follow the Telegram also. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.